Are you looking for the best companies to invest in for the stock market in 2025? Well, keep watching to find out which companies could really help you grow your money. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm going to tell you something. The stock market can be overwhelming, especially with so many choices, but don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share five of the best investment companies that could really provide great returns in 2025. So these companies basically have shown strong growth and are expected to continue thriving. Now, so I'm going to go into it now. Here are the best investment companies in the share market for 2025. The first one is Apple. Apple, AAPL. With its consistent innovation and strong brand, Apple remains one of the most reliable stocks to invest in. Second one is Tesla, TSLA. As electric vehicles take over, Tesla is leading the charge and could bring big rewards to investors. It's a data company also. Number three, Amazon, AMZN. With a massive e-commerce and cloud computing business, Amazon continues to grow and show long-term promise. Number four is Microsoft, MSFT. It's a leader in technology. Microsoft's cloud service and software products are set to continue their strong performance. And number five, we have NVIDIA, NVDA. As demand for AI is increasing, NVIDIA positions itself in the market, making it a top choice for investors. Now, investing in these top companies can really help you build your wealth in 2025. It might be the perfect time to get in. So just remember, the earlier you start, the better. And if you like these picks, leave me a like. I love ya.